Welcome to Simplified Physics in Physics Clinic. So we are still in SS1 syllabus for the first term. The school is about to resume, or some schools have resumed today. Okay, so let's continue. So today our topic is what? Friction. So straight to the course outline. So we are going to be discussing what friction is, types of friction, laws of solid friction, coefficient of friction, go back, coefficient of friction, advantages of friction, disadvantage, and how to reduce what friction. So let's dive straight in. So what is friction? Friction is what? The force that opposes relative motion between any two surfaces. So what we are saying is that friction is that force that goes against what? Relative motion. This person is trying to push this box, so friction, we say this box should not what? Move. So we also know that what? Friction occurs both in solid and in what? Fluid. Now for solid it's called solid friction, while for fluid it's called fluid friction, which is also called what? Viscosity. Now we should note that anytime there is motion, friction is always present. Whenever you see motion, a body is trying to move, a body is trying to stop motion, there is always what? Friction. Now let's go to types of friction. We have two types of friction. The first one is what? The static or limiting friction, and the second one is what? Kinetic dynamic friction. So what is static friction? Static friction is that frictional force a body must overcome, move. Static frictional force is that frictional force a body must overcome before it can start moving over another. So frictional force is that force that exists between two bodies that are not in motion. So it means that when a box is just lying on a flat surface, no movement, the frictional force that exists for that kind of box is called what? Static friction. Now we have what? Kinetic or dynamic friction. So dynamic friction is that frictional force that exists when the two bodies have what? Relative motion to each other. So what it means is that when the bodies are not moving, there's no relative motion between the body and the surface where it's resting on. That is what? Static friction. So static friction is that force, is that frictional force present there. But when the body starts moving, the frictional force present is called what? Kinetic or what? Dynamic frictional force. Now we should note that the static frictional force is always greater than what? Kinetic or dynamic frictional force. So let's go to the laws of what? Solid friction. The first one is that friction always opposes what? Relative motion between two surfaces in contact, based on what we have said in definition. The second one says that friction depends on what? The nature of the two surfaces in contact. Now if the surface is perfectly smooth surface, the coefficient of friction is going to be 0. But for a perfectly rough surface, the coefficient of friction is going to be what? 1. So when the surface is very smooth, it will affect the friction, and when it's very rough, it will also affect what? The friction. Now the next one is what? Frictional force is what? Independent of the what? Relative speed between the what? Two surfaces. So it does not depend on the motion, the speed of those two surfaces. Now the next one is that it is independent, that is to say it does not depend on the area of the surfaces, two surfaces in what? Contact. Now the last law says that what? Frictional force varies directly with what? Normal force, which is also called normal reaction. So let's go to coefficient of friction. Now from the last law we said that what? Frictional force is proportional to what? Normal reaction. So that gives us this by mathematical expression that frictional force, which is F, is directly proportional to what? R. So the constant is what? Mu, which is what? Coefficient of static friction. Now we should note that the normal reaction is always equal to what? The weight when the body is on what? An horizontal surface. Now this is what we're talking about. So this is a body on an horizontal surface. The normal reaction is that force pressing this body to the ground, and this is the weight. So since both of them are going to be in equilibrium, the upward force is equal to what? Downward force. Okay, now coefficient of friction definition, it is defined as the ratio, because if you make coefficient of friction the subject of formula, it's going to be mu equals to F over what R. So it's divided as the ratio of the frictional force to the what normal reaction between the two surfaces. So this is what it means. Now you should also know that coefficient of friction is always between 0 and 1. It cannot be more than that. Mu is equal to 0 for a very smooth surface, and mu is equal to 1 for what? A very rough surface. So let's go to a work example. Now look at this work example. We have been asked that, okay, a solid crate, okay, down an inclined plane, this. The force, frictional force opposing its motion is this. Normal reaction of the crate is 150. So they ask us to calculate the coefficient of dynamic friction. So from this place we know that what 120 is the what frictional force, while the normal reaction is what 150. So from the formula we get that F is equals to mu R. So 120 is equals to what? Mu times what? 150. So making mu inside the formula. So the coefficient of friction is what? 0.8. Okay. Now second example, we have a block of mass 10 kg resting on this. Okay, minimum force required to move the box when it's pulled horizontally. So this is the frictional force. So it's by this force P, and this is the frictional force, normal reaction, and the weight. So the mass of the box is 10 kg. Now they gave us mu to be 0.35. Now we should know that weight is equals to what? Mg, and this is going to give us 10 times 10 equals to 100 Newton. Now recall that this is equal to this, so the normal reaction is going to be what? 100 Newton, and F should be equal to P for horizontal balance. So F is equal to mu R, and this is going to give us what? 35 Newton. So that is to say the minimum force that you need before this box can even think of start moving is going to be what? 35 Newton. So once this P is not up to 35 Newton, this box cannot move. Now, so advantages of friction. So what are the advantages we get by trying to oppose motion? So the first one is that friction between our feet and the ground help us to walk. So once there is no friction between our feet and the ground, we will not be able to walk. So that is why you see that the underneath of your feet most times is not perfectly smooth to generate what? Friction. Now the next one is what? Friction enables a screw or a nail to remain in what? Its position. So by the time, if there is no friction, you nail a nail or put in a screw, it will not be able to remain that position. Now it is the friction between grinding stone that helps us in grinding pepper, tomatoes, and whatever. Friction between the tires of a car and the road is what helps the car during motion to stop it when brake is being applied. That is why when the cars are wearing out, they will advise the car owner to go and change the tire. Friction is applied when certain materials are rubbed against each other to generate static charges. So friction is also used to generate static charges. Friction between the foot of a ladder and the floor prevents the foot of the ladder from slipping. So when you are trying to lean a ladder against a pole or a wall, it is the friction between the foot and the floor that will make it not to slip away. So friction between the matchbox and the stick is what helps us to make fire. So these are the various advantages of friction. Now let's go to disadvantage of friction. Everything that has advantage also has a disadvantage. Now the first one is that friction results to wear and tear of moving parts of machine. So friction is actually what is responsible for why machines can never be 100% efficient. So because it causes wear and tear. Now friction also leads to loss of energies in machine, and this is actually what makes machine not to be 100% efficient. So we have talked about it. Friction reduces the efficiency of machine due to loss of energy. Friction is what causes engines to heat up. So heating in engines, so you see that the engines after being used they become hot. So it is friction that is making it to be hot. The next one, friction also generates unwanted noise from machine parts when they are rubbing against themselves. So how do we reduce the effect of this friction? Now number one, So we have talked about that even though friction has advantage and it also has disadvantages, we need to find a way of what reducing the effect of this word friction. So the first method is what by lubrication. The next one is by streamlining. The next one is by use of rollers and what ball bearings. We have the use of belts and chain drive. We have smoothing or polishing. So let's talk about lubrication. Lubrication is about what involve what the application of certain chemicals that are called lubricants to reduce the effect of what friction. So these lubricants, we have grease, we have oil, we have air, we have graphite as well, lubrication. So that is why for your generator you have the engine oil that is being applied so that it will permit smooth motion among these parts. So the next one is what streamlining. What is streamlining? Streamlining involves the word shaping of an object in such a way that the object can easily move against the direction of wind or winds or liquid. Now you notice that, now look at this car, because of the way it is shaped, it allows wind to be able to flow easily. So that is the reason why if you notice for ship, aircraft, submarine, they are designed after fish, the shape of a fish. So that is streamlining. Now the next one is what? Use of roller or ball bearings. So this one is actually being used for machine parts, especially around the shaft, to reduce the what surface area in contact. So this is an example of what a ball bearing. So it allows what, it helps to what reduce what friction. So the next one is what use of belts and what chain drive. So this also help to what, so this is a chain drive like for the bicycle, this was a belt drive. So it helps to what reduce what friction. Now the next one is what, and which is the last one, which is what smoothing or polishing. So by the time we smooth the surface, it will help us. So this is for smoothing, this is polish. So it helps us to what reduce the effect of what friction. So thank you very much for joining us for this class. So remember to stay tuned for the tutorial videos. For the tutorial videos we are going to solve WAEC live past questions. So thank you very much. So see you in the tutorial videos and also in the next class. Bye bye.